In this video, I'll be showing you how you can close a software that has adamantly refused to close on your PC. Let's say you have, in my case, I have OBS open here, I have my Google Chrome open here, I also have my settings open here. I can go ahead and open another application, doesn't matter. I can open my VLC, I can open any other application. Let's say I can go ahead and open Stream Labs as well. You could have opened any Adobe software, you could have opened any powerful software, editing software, or anything. So today I'll be showing you how you can go ahead and close it. So this is what you're going to do. You will hold Shift, Control and Escape. Control, Shift and Escape, then the task manager will pop up. Once the task manager is open, you will see these applications that are open. So in these applications, you can choose which application you want to close. Let's say I want to close VLC. I will click onto this VLC, right click, and then click on End Task. Once I click on End Task, that application or that software will immediately close. I'll have prompted it to close regardless of any running activity. The same will apply to settings. Just right click and then click on End Task. Let's say my Google Chrome is the one that has been giving me headache. It could be Google Chrome, Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom, or any other strong software. Just click onto it, right click and End Task, and it will be closed, and you can go ahead and work on your PC. So that's how you can close a software or an application that has adamantly refused to close. Catch you in the next video.